JekJek the Clown, back for another balloon art lesson. And this time around, I got a very special one for you. One that I custom created myself, specifically for this horrible pandemic that we are presently dealing with. Clowns, jesters, and mimes alike, I present to you the balloon coronavirus. And here's how you can make one. Let's get started. Now, to make the coronavirus, you are going to need 4 red balloons, 2 60s, and 2 clear balloons, also 2 60s. Now, clear balloons are actually a little hard to come by. You see, I had to custom order these, but if you don't have clear balloons, then white balloons will work just as well. I just think that the clear balloons fit a little better because all the pictures you see of the coronavirus, it kind of has a semi-transparency to it. So first thing you're going to do is blow up both of the clear balloons about 3/4 of the way. Let some air out and tie it. Air them both up because you're going to be twisting both at the same time. Once you have both your clear balloons ready to go, you're going to tie the 2 knots together real tight. Give them both a squeeze and a stretch. Make sure they're nice and soft. And now let's begin. So holding them together like this, you're going to measure about 4 inches. And you're going to twist them together, just like that. Once you've done that, you're going to fold them over and twist them again. Try and get them into the knots if you can. It may be a little tricky, but it's not impossible. So far, you should have something that looks like this. Give your balloons some more squeezes. And now, you're going to wrap each balloon around the little ball you just made and twist them on the other end where they connect. Try to twist them as close to the little ball as you can. Now finally, you are going to fold them over one more time and twist them together again on the opposite side. And again, try and get it nice and snug. Get on there real tight. And now adjust it a little bit. Try to pull out the inner ones as much as you can. And just get everything lined up and adjusted. Also, push it together, just to give it more of a rounded shape, like that. And you should have something that looks like this. So you see these 2 little pieces on the end now? This and this? Well, we don't need those. So what you're going to do next is you're going to pinch where they're twisted real tight, and now you're going to use your scissors to cut the uninflated portions so they will deflate very, very slowly. Once you've done that, tie them together. It's probably a really good idea to double knot it. Alright, once you've done that, take the now extra uninflated portion and snip it right off. But don't cut the knot. And there, now you have a almost perfect clear ball. Kind of more like a football shape. Now it's time to get out those red balloons. As far as airing them up, they're done. You're not going to air them up at all. Instead, you are going to feed them through the outer loops of the ball that you just made. This is why getting the outer loops on your balloon really tight is important. Because if it's nice and tight, it'll hold these in place. If it's too loose, these will fall right out. Make sure that each of the outer loops gets an uninflated red balloon. Make sure they're pretty even. And there you have it. You're done. There is the coronavirus in balloons. Look at you. You vile, disgusting thing. Making so many people sick. Getting all these events and plans canceled. And you're killing people. Nobody likes you, coronavirus. Nobody. Yeah, that's right. You better feel bad about what you've done. You're grounded. Go in the corner and you think about what you've done and how many people you've hurt. Well, that concludes this lesson. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And if you pop balloons, that's okay. It's part of the art. So until next time, I'm your girl, JekJek's the Clown. Keep on smiling and keep on twisted. Bye, guys!